Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the archive is either in unknown format or damaged. Let's fix it guys. You just need to open up a browser and search 7 ZIP download and select the first link. Now you just need to download depends on your system bit. To know your system bit, go to search menu and type about your PC, click on open it. In system type, you can able to see your system bit. After knowing that, just to close stuff here. In my case, I have 64-bit operating system, so I am downloading this. In your case, 32-bit operating system, then download this. After downloading it, select the downloaded file and select yes and install it. After the installation done, just need to close stuff here. Now you just need to navigate to the RAR file. You got this error. Right click on the RAR file and select show more options and select 7-zip and select extract here option, and now you can extract the file without having any problem. As you can see, I got extracted. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.